Hey Alan, how's it going? It's Bree here with Little Big Marketing. You spoke with my colleague Mark earlier, and as promised, here is your website audit video. So I'm going to go ahead and start with your site here. I'm then going to go over your competitors, a couple things I found, and how you can get your website ranking better and get some more calls coming in. Looking at your website here, like you have a call to action for the free estimate right away, a little bit about you. Your service. Oh, okay, so the videos are referring to which services you offer. Okay, more about this project. Get a professional services. Probably a typo there. Our kitchen project before and after. Oh, this is cool. So you can click on the different one. I love the slider. That's a great touch because you can really see the big difference that was made. More details about it. This again, I think that's a typo. More projects. Cool, so some more projects here. Seems like there's not a photo there. Okay. Photos, step 3, so reinstallation, pricing plan. Okay, so then you got some pricing options, book now, latest news, so you got a blog, cool counter. Looks like you got a typo here as well. Quality. Okay, on call. Some testimonials. Although it looks like it's only one testimonial. Doesn't look like it's slides or I can click any arrows. So you'll probably want to put some more testimonials on there. Okay, that's the end of the site. So overall, not bad. Um, I'm not sure how much content you have on here. You might need some more. Google likes to see about a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. The more content you have, the more you're going to look like an expert in their eyes. They have these crawlers coming through and they're trying to figure out what areas you serve, what services you offer. Within that content, you want to have keywords. So keywords are things that people would be searching for to find you. For example, remodeling company San Diego. If someone were to Google that and you had remodeling company San Diego all over your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search, and Google's going to be willing to put you higher up within the search results. I'm not really seeing any of those keywords on here, so we're going to want to get those on here as well. Now, if we actually did a Google search for remodeling company San Diego, we can see that they're running an ad, and this is called the Map Pack. So the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The way you can get yourself into the top 3 here is by having a Google business profile, 2, filling it out as much as possible, name, address, phone number, photos, reviews, etc. And 3, putting your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. Directories are things like Yelp or Yellow Pages. The more of those you have, the more that link back, and the more powerful your profile will become. If we look at the websites below here, these are called the organics, and the same things apply. You want to be listed on the front page and ideally within the top 3. This is just Yelp, and I don't care about them, but let's take a look at this local company here, Marcall. They got a lot. This is very busy. There's a lot going on here. I'm almost overwhelmed by how much is going on here right away. Let's take a look at what they got going on. So their services listed right away. Okay. View all services. Schedule your consultation. Their blog. Their reviews. Oh, this is kind of long. I think this would be better as a slideshow. Okay, some more call to actions. Some more reviews, awards. Alright. It's okay site. It's not my favorite though. So let's talk about why it's ranking. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important for where you fall within the Google search results. A UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is essentially a power rating with Google. These numbers are really important for where you fall within the Google search results. One of the important ways on how you can raise these numbers is through backlinks. All a backlink really is just a shout out or an endorsement from another website. So if there was a blog website and they wrote an article about home remodelers, they said, hey everyone, come check out Marical's website. They're the best ever, and they had a clickable button back to the site. That's all a backlink is. We can actually click on this number, go through their links, and get them for your site. Lastly, and most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords. These are the keywords within the content that I was talking about before. For example, remodel contractor San Diego. There's approximately 400 people who Google this a month. Remodeling company San Diego, approximately 300. Remodel contractor San Diego, approximately 400. Remodeling contractor San Diego, 400. San Diego remodel contractors, 400. I'm not going to go through every one, but holy cow, look how many people are searching every month. Especially if you break it down into the individual services, the towns. I mean, there's so many people who are looking for home remodeling companies. That's really important to know because that means there's a great opportunity. Imagine if all of these people were to find you and then these people were to be calling you, that would result in a lot more work. If we took a look at your website's ratings, your UR rating's okay, your DR rating's pretty low, and I would say this is probably due to not enough or some spammy backlinks. If we took a look at your organic keywords, we can see you're showing up for some kind of random stuff. This is good, but you really want to have a location attached to it, so you want it to say like San Diego so that people locally will find you. Okay, here we go. Here's one, home renovation San Diego, but you're in roughly 21st place for it, so that's pretty far down. Same with this one, you're in 24th. So it looks like you're kind of far down for these local keywords. If you were to get some more content, get those keywords within the content, and add some powerful backlinks, that would really help your site rank. I hope that this was helpful, and we look forward to speaking with you further. Have a great day.